Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix no restore points have been created in Windows 11. First method is type create restore point in Windows search bar, click create restore point. Click configure, check turn on system protection. Second method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open volume shadow copy, change startup type to automatic, click start, click apply, click OK, restart the service. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right click run as administrator. Type chkdsk space, /colan space, /f space, /x space, /r. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.